This tutorial review will show you how to fix live voicemail option not showing on iPhone. So as you can see, currently the live voicemail option isn't available in my iPhone. Follow these easy steps to get the voicemail option. So first of all, launch your iPhone settings and go to General. Then tap on Language and Region. The live voicemail option is only available for Canada and United States region. So tap on region and you can select United States or Canada. And after changing your region to United States or Canada, now again open your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on phone. And now here you will get the live voicemail option. So this is how we can solve this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.